Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and we're talking today about the last star in the Matariki cluster, the ninth one, and it's Hiwa i Te Rangi. And I just want to refer again to the work of Dr. Rangi Mātāmua, particularly in this book, Matariki, the Star of the Year, and which is where I've got lots of my understanding and information from and has helped me so much. Also on his Facebook page, Living by the Stars, to really understand much more about the stars and what they refer to and what the Māori people actually starting again in these times, but also in the past, were getting from the stars. It's so much more than you would ever think. And so this is a lovely one. Hiwa i Te Rangi. Hiwa i Te Rangi. So Hiwa is referring to vigorous growth and prosperity, and so the prosperity in the sky. So Hiwa i Te Rangi would be the star that the Māori people would refer to and put their hopes and dreams for the future. You know, our equivalent would be the New Year resolutions. When we're talking about wishing on a star, that would be the star, and kind of looking to Hiwa i Te Rangi to make the following year one of vigorous growth, prosperity in terms of food and good weather and the well-being of the people. So that's a really lovely one, isn't it? Hiwa i Te Rangi. It's good. Now we know all of the meanings and the pronunciation of the stars, and hopefully that will be really helpful to you in your work and in your whānau and with your work with tamariki. Ka kite.